Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 4, the Odi 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Nonjeme. Yeah, she's serious. Yeah, great. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, right. Compared to game is le ugcina le eswelele.
Yeah. Labo ngekho great.
Yeah, bengekho great. Yeah, bengekho nabantu bangangiresist ezinye izinto engizisho but ke asikho lapho.
Sure.
Yeah, today sidlale grand sibo. Sure. Sidlale grand today. Ngathi wonke amabhakaniya ahappy ngendlela ezidlale ngayo, yabo. And ngicathenye into esenza ukuthi sidlale kahle today ukuthi sibe no dancing, sibe nombule for keeping the ball, ne? Yeah, starting lineup ngithembe ngisibona ngabona ukuthi sino dancing sinombule ngabona okay today sizodlala lendlela le normal esihleze sidlala as well as inclusion ka Sibisi. Yeah, uSibisi naye uba khona kwakhe for maturity, ne? Yeah, so Leo 3 leyo is a difference today. Why ngisho so sibo because into ebengine worry ngayo even le game yeswelele abantu abangangiunderstandanga khona ukuthi bengikhala ngani because umuntu uyachecka lama game beswadlala okanye le game yeswelele ibhola belisika kusipho liye kumbokazi and then bese liyashaya hoping for usibelebele or uhodo ukuthi be run, yabo, or liye kusiyema and then usiyema wenza same thing, yabo. Today umuntu uyachecka first half ama diagonal eswadlalile abe yi2 phela first half. Yeah, besuka kusipho enye besuka nginduli na futhi yasipho ayiphumelelanga because iphumele ngaphandle. So inclusion kaSibisi I think ibe ne influence as well ngendlela bezidlala ngayo because if unosipho mbule uno dancing wena njalo ufuna ukushaya ibhola yabona ukuthi usuyababulala. Another thing ebebulala uMaswanganye, abantu bebona ukuthi uMaswanganye akaperform ilento ukuthi njalo ibhola melithuka kusipho liya kumbokazi seliyashawa hoping for usibelebele nohodo same thing noSiyema because now usuyambulala uMaswanganye usuyambulala uMbatha. But if sizoqala kahle ibuild up yethu sidlale sinikeze ibhola abo dancing, sinikeze ibhola abombule. Remember umbule bakhona uka-tractor in i-pressure ngesikhathi kuza abantu abayi2 abayi3 abantu basele beyi1 lapha kuma channel, so uyakhona ukuthi uluphe ibhola musula futhi ngasesenta. Le nto siyibiza ngokuthi it's an element of surprise. It can't be ukuthi team njengePirates ingadlala ama long as a point of departure ukuthi sisuke emuva sisiyalishaya. So today sikwazile ukuthi sidlale ngosipho as well as dancing.
Sure.
Iyona into engibe happy ngayo today game yethu ingakho sikhonile ukuthi control even second half kwangena boMasindi kwangena boMaswanganye same thing sakhona ukuthi sidlale and then we use ama diagonal as an element of surprise. If ngithi is an element of surprise which means besingawadlali direct from emuva besiwadlala if once approach la center okanye sa jump center nyana ngalesikhathi focus kulabantu laba ba attract pressure abo dancing abo Masindi abo Mbule abo Maswanganye kunabantu aba free abasele kuphi abasele spacing. So because musu ya check even goal lesi lokuqala free kick kaMorem sithole from a circuit play. Remember if it's a circuit play ila suke sibuilda khona sesikhonile usakho siya relax now sesiyakhona ukuthi sidlale through ama channels through ama half spaces. So le Africa ibuye from half space because besikhathi sidlala sinoka ibhola bayithatha uMorem wayishiya nethini ucheck igoal lesi2. Remember ngithi ama diagonals today siwasebenzise as an element of surprise, right? Igoal lesi2 le abantu mebengacheck or if ungachecka nawe leyapha sibuya kuSibisi ayisukanga from back kade speed bese sila sifisa rotate salinoka ngalesikhathi ifocus yabe shiftile ukuthi bafuna ukuzivala la central. uMoremi futhi akarana ashaya nje run wayipositiona kahle kwi channel ubhodlela omluphela ibhola wakukhatha in wathatha ishot. I understand. So lento bekune difference because abanye abantu bazothi uthe wena ama diagonals awafuni. No, it can't be ukuthi ama diagonals for Pirates kube point of departure ukuthi njalo sinoma sisuke emuva nani asiwasebenzise but as an element of surprise. Yes, igoli lesingakileli lesi2 check igoli lesi3 lika Mbuthuma same thing yenzakalile uma swanganya udrophile ngalesikhathi uma swanganya drop wa receive iball ngalesikhathi besalindele ukuthi la ngasesenzo sazoligibela enze lezi zinto zakhe azosenza waliluphela bani walidlalela ulibitho wenze njani wa challenge washaya icross for bani for Mbuthuma. By the way, remember ngihleze ukutshela ngama-pattern ukuthi ama-pattern izinto ezenzakalayo lezi zinto which means siyasebenzela kuzona. Yalikhumbula igoli lokuqala lika Morem alishaya versus Stellenbosch eMbombela bekuyicross ebisuka kubani kuwapolice wenze njani waqhamuka senze njani uMorem Thephini. Today igoli lika Mbuthuma lokuqala same thing yenzakalile ulibitho from eChannel qhamuka uMbuthuma wenze njani Thephini. Football igame yani yama-pattern sithini and then okay obviously goal lesi4 beSypress adasalwini ibhola and then uMbuthuma saba force ukuthi becommittee ilokhuzana ama mistake ngihappy for uMbuthuma because meqala isizini umethola ichance akaperformanga kahle like besa adjust and then abantu kwaba khona umsindo khona bamdoubt yabo but ngihappy ngalento ayenzile. Also again undaba today indlela adlale ngayo he was top team uyabonisa yabona umugayi chance empilweni
sebenzile
kufanele uyithathe because i-team njenge Pirates enama player at top so i-chance uyithola kayi1 uyithola kayi2 and if uyitholile kusekumele uyibambe ngani uyibambe ngezandla zombili team sengivala coach wethu usazophathwa ikhanda
ngani
lapha kuma center back
why
okanye kwi-backline sazophathwa ikhanda because for mina i-majority kaSibisi Sibisi is top uSibisi utop maybe abanye abantu bangama understand ngendlela adlala ngayo but for mina i-top kakhulu like ukudropa kwaMbokazi okay uMbokazi bebemresta vele iquality siyamazi but inclusion whether bebedrop uCM or uMbokazi still ukuba khona kukaSibisi bekuzoba nayo difference because uSibisi uhlakaniphile he understands ukuthi once mesusa ibhola sesiyalishaya siyababulala labantu abathanda ukudlala ibhola kuphi la esenza sithe ngizokwanda kakhulu nje sengibiza igama lami ngizokwanda kakhulu but ngihappy ngendlela esidlale ngayo hopefully sizoqhubeka sidlale kanje even against lama game alandelayo I think sidlala against CS Galaxy as well as Iswelele asidlaleni man sidlala ibhola sidlala and then use ama diagonals as an element of surprise not ukuthi liyasuka emuva seliyenze njani seliyashaya sometimes sibe ezinye izinto awudinga ukuthi ukhulume ngihappy nge-clean sheets ngama-clean sheets esiwashayayo i-progress ikhona
nalento yakushaya
ngihappy ngawo ukuthi siyakhona ukuthi skippa ama-clean sheets and then siyakora as well sometimes sibo into enhle yakufanele ukuthi ukhulume kakhulu ngoba ugcina so konke into eyi-1 oyitwistayo abantu bese bekubamba ngayo ngigcina usumosha
sibonge Emiliyana man of the match
man of the match Moremi ne
Moremi
for me uMoremi okay sisakuyena uMoremi sengikhohliwe ibuyela back to lento engitshelayo ukuthi ibuyela back to lento ebeyitshela yona Sibo ukuthi abantu empilweni there's something ethi abantu bazokusupporta only if njani uyawina ngoba nayo kusebabona ukuthi uyawina. There was a game kaMoremi sidlala neSundowns first leg eMCN 8
Orlando Stadium
umjida bambuyisha
ngiyakhumbula
umjida bambuyisha
ngiyakhumbula
like siyabonga ukuthi technical team ikwazile ukuthi imphusho waba yilento ayiyona because now umuthi uyacheka igame negame manje use-involved kumagoli esinjani eswakora so ibamba lapho Steve man of the match Moremi.
Thank you Vineyard